Hi everyone, it's Eve. Welcome back to my channel, A Crafty Poodle Mom. I wanted to come on today to share with you 9 make and takes that we created. If you didn't already, I have an ice cream social make and take project share that I posted in a previous video on Saturday. 9 of us crafty ladies got together in Southern California at the Panera Bread, and there was a private room that was reserved from 10 to 3, and we got together to do some crafty makes and just to catch up and just to have some creative time. So I wanted to come on today to share with you what the creative ladies made for the ice cream social, and that was the theme. And as you saw in my previous video, and I will link it in the description box below if you didn't check it out, this was the ice cream, 3D ice cream gift box that I brought for the make and take. So I essentially cut everything out from my Cricut, and this is a Scrap Diva 29, really super cute bow that I die cut for everybody, and I put it all in a little baggie. And everyone got to make it during our afternoon crafty session. I just add a couple of stickles when I got home. I just thought that that was a way to kind of brighten up a little bit and add some more texture. But again, this is the little gift box. And I'll probably use it soon to gift a friend for a birthday. So Susan, who is brattysue on Instagram, she hosted the event, and she had a bunch of raffle prizes. We played bingo, and for bingo, I was able to choose a little packaged gift, and it was wrapped in a really pretty ice cream wrapping paper with a Starbucks card in the front. So I picked that one up. I chose that one as my gift, and this is an ice cream bar little signage that is super duper cute, and I'll have it in my coffee bar at work, or coffee cocoa bar at work, and I think for the summer, and I think that's going to be really cute. So Susan also, for her make and takes, she put in a little baggie all the little ingredients to create this ice cream ephemera. And then we had, we were able to scoop up some of the sequins and then add it to the project. So this is what she packaged up together, and we all created this. And then she added some ephemera pieces, and this one says "Life is Sweet." So these were the 2. Plus, she also set up on our little, I guess, place settings, a little ice cream box that she said that she found on Amazon. It is so cute. And she put some goodies in here, and look at the little wooden tires. It is adorable. So let me just kind of open it up real quick, and I'll show you the goodies. So this was also another little goodie that she gifted to us. So it's a little ice cream pen, and she put 2 ice cream cabochons that we can apply to the little charm here to just finish up the little charm dangle. Isn't that cute? So that was another goodie. And she also gifted us a little jar of goodies. So some chocolates, some fun Easter chocolates, as well as this little ice cream pin. That is so cute, right? Super duper cute. In addition, inside, she also gifted a couple of ice cream. So she also gifted to us some ice cream stickers as well. Thank you, Susan. So that was her little goodie bag. And let me put this away. And Eva, who is sweetcraftygal, she die cut all of these little pieces for, I believe this is a KS craft die. And this is their little tote bag. It's so cute. And she essentially die cut a whole bunch of summer themed fun colors. And this was a popsicle themed tote bag. And also she created a little charm that we can dangle from the corner of the tote. So cute. Eva does a lot of little charms and bows and lots of goodies on her Instagram. So hopefully you can check her out on Instagram and see what other goodies she does create. She also made this cute little ice cream goodie bag. And inside the goodie bag is a little ice cream cone magnet. I like to use this as chip clips. Very, very cute. So that is a little something cute that she also set on the table for us. So that is another little goodie. And Shetara, who is sochocplangirl, she had this adorable popsicle, 3D popsicle gift box that she had us create. So it's a 3-dimensional box. And we can put a little gift card in here or some goodies or chocolate. It is so cute. So super cute. And in the front it says enjoy. We had 2 options to use in front of the box. 2 different types of enjoy that she die cut. And then this is the little drip on the top. I didn't have a chance to add anything else on the drip. You can add sprinkles to it, sequins, but I'll probably embellish it a little bit more before I gift it. This is so cute. And she also gifted to us this blender, this cute little ice cream blender, as well as, let's see, whoops. As well as this cute little ice cream keychain, and on the back you can add your little coins. So cute. I love everyone likes to treasure hunt for the themed items, so that was so cute that she found this little blender brush as well. Next up we have Michele, and she is 4 Eyes Crafter on Instagram. And everyone was going oohing and awing with this little ice cream. It was originally an ice cream box that she picked up on Amazon. And we cut it down to little pieces in order to make a little card, a gift card holder, if you will. So I kept this little ice cream. I didn't throw away and put it in the front. And there's different colors. There's like purple and pink and green and yellow. So I picked a yellow one. And then, oh, here's the little gift card. So that I won at bingo. But essentially you create a little pocket. So she showed us how to create the little pocket, which is the front of the ice cream truck. And I kept the front window. And so the little gift card holder fits perfectly, and here it is. Adding my little Starbucks card in there, and this is the back. Isn't that cute? And you can add little buttons here just to jazz it up a little bit. But I thought that is so cute. Such a cute idea. So I'm going to leave that there. Next up, we have Tricia, who is crafthappyness on Instagram. And she handed out these little goodie bags. Cute little unicorn goodie bags. And she also found these really cute little popsicle holders. And inside she added some sweet treats, some Easter sweet treats, a little Hershey Kiss Kit Kat, and a little Reese's. Cute. As well as a caramel bunny. Yum. And then for her make and take, this is an ice cream gift card holder. And I recognize this. This is a Scrap Diva die. And then she die cut a little panel on the back. And this is another one that she die cut to put on the back as a base for the ice cream cone, and a little cherry on the top. It is so, so cute. So the idea is that you gift a person a gift card, or like a birthday gift card. And then when you glue it down, they can open it up. I love this die by Scrap Diva. It's so cute. So this is good to go for a coworker gift card coming right up. So thank you so much, Tricia, and it was so nice to meet you. And this was created by Terry, who is the paperleona on Instagram. Isn't this adorable? It is so cute. So she did a lot of the work for us in terms of, you know, she cut the acetate, she glued the top part to the acetate, and then she gifted in our pouches individual little sequins to add with the sequins mix inside. I was supposed to put this tiny bow down here, and this was supposed to be up here, but I did it opposite. But that's okay, I love it. Large and in charge, a little bow, if you will. But I love all of the tag ingredients and the I forgot what this is called. I was gonna call it twine, but no, it's not twine. You know what I'm talking about. But isn't that adorable? That is so adorable. So that was another make and take. And she gifted us a milk chocolate Reese's, another die cut of an ice cream cone, and a little cookie. A little cookie to munch on. So thank you so much, Terry. Next up, we have Yenny, who is papelytierrasgirl, and we were to just, she cut out everything for us, and she primarily colored the entire scene. We just did a little coloring. She had us color the little piggy and the little rabbit here, and then we pop dotted all of the little friends onto the ice cream truck. It is so cute. This is such a cute little die. All the details. So it's a little card that's all ready to give for the summer. So that is a fun one. And she packaged it, her little die cuts in this little cute little Sanrio bag. And last but not least, we have Morgan, who is craftymorgansnow on Instagram. And we have a little card. So for her make and take, she die cut the ice cream cone and then did a little distressing on the corners. And then I just used my pop dots just to add the die cuts on top of the card, just to add a little bit more dimension. This says ice cream helps, and it certainly does. And then I can stamp a sentiment in the inside. And she also, for her goodie bag, she gifted us these cute little sandwich bags. And she also found these at the 99-cent store. These are so cute. So, in this one, she gifted a little sequins mix, a colorful little sequins or sequin and clay mix. Thank you, Morgan. And then on this one, this little ice cream cone, she gifted us a little popsicle. I remember eating these types of popsicles sticks in junior high. And then some really cute little stickers in a variety of different flavors. So thank you so much to everyone that shared these make and takes with us so that we can have such a fun crafty day. So hopefully everyone got some ideas by watching this video, and let me know in the comments below if you're doing any type of summer projects, or are you still working on Easter, or have you already jumped into summer? Summer crafting is always so much fun. But I'm still working on Easter, so in the next video I will be uploading an Easter project soon. So have a great week, everybody. Thanks so much for stopping by. See you next time. Bye.